England is set to run short of water within 25 years. On average, a single person uses 149 litres of water per day, 12% on showering and 13% on laundry. This usage dramatically increases with students who spend nearly an hour and a half in the shower per week. We surveyed students and found that doing laundry can be a difficult task while at university, with laundrettes often being overcrowded, too expensive and full of broken machines.
Which is why we've designed the Aqua X. An award-winning portable washing machine for students that uses filtered shower water to wash clothes. The device includes a removable water tank, which can be placed on the shower floor like a mat. Once the tank is returned to the base, the water is filtered and used in the laundry process. Our proprietary water filter can easily be replaced through a subscription service. It clarifies the used shower water, removing all particles and bacteria, thus ensuring your clothes are left clean and fresh. The Aqua X features an innovative drum, which aerates the detergent and washes the clothes in a third of the time required by a typical washing machine.
Our unit cost will be £31, with a retail price of £65, making this a cheaper alternative for students who spend approximately £100 a year on campus washing facilities. £20,000 will help to prototype and test our solution, as well as fund our initial manufacture setup and marketing costs. We are currently in the process of securing design rights and partnerships. If every student in London were to use the Aqua X, we could save over 1.7 billion litres of water a year. That's equal to over 700 Olympic-sized swimming pools. The time to make waves is now.